This video demonstrates how to replace the key fob battery in a 2015-2016 Hyundai Genesis. It's a simple DIY task that can save you money. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, readily available at most retailers. No special tools or skills are needed, making it accessible for anyone. The 2015-16 Hyundai Genesis key fob features buttons for lock and unlock, trunk release, and panic alarm. It is powered by a standard CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Always confirm that your key fob matches this description before proceeding with replacement. Using the correct battery type is essential for proper function. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. A plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratching the fob. Work on a non-conductive surface to minimize static electricity. Locate the seam between the two halves of the key fob. This is where the two plastic pieces meet. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the halves. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could damage the clips that hold the fob together. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Some fobs have a small retaining clip holding the battery in place. Gently dislodge the clip before removing the battery. Carefully reassemble the two halves of the key fob. Ensure they snap securely together. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to confirm functionality, such as the lights flashing on the vehicle. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is fully closed. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it could indicate a fob circuit problem requiring professional repair. Avoid cheap knockoff batteries, as they can leak and damage the fob's internals. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Consider the DIY approach to save $40 to $80 compared to professional services.